gonna take how to feed you on this one. More Camaro. Turn your lights down low and pull your window curtains. Oh, let your moon come shining into our life again. Saying, ooh, it's been a long, 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 long time. I kept this message for you guys. But it seems I was never on time. Still I wanna get through to you, girl, on time. On time. Whoa. I want to give you some love. Turn your lights down low. Never try to resist, oh no. Oh, let my love come tumbling into our life again. Saying, ooh, I love you. Some love. Oh, good, good loving. Oh, I wanna give you some good, good loving. Oh, I say I wanna give you some good, good loving. Oh, lights down low, yeah, the super night is just right. Moon through the window in a good night light. Hey, I'm outside trying to tell you in that room, guy. You say alright. Long time coming at these words in my mind. Tried to hit your gabby before, but Momo answered the line. Now I'm knocking on your DMs for some mile. Hey, boo, every line that I write, hey, why I'm thinking of you. Turn the lights down low, girl, I'll take you to cuckoo. I want to give you some love. Good, good loving. Oh, I want to give you some good, good loving. Oh, yes, I want to give you some good, good loving. Oh, turn your lights down low. Never, never try to resist. Oh no. Ooh, let my love come tumbling into our life again. Oh, I want to give you some love. Turn your lights down low. Turn your lights down low. Turn your lights down low. We're gonna take you out of Fiji on this one. Makamara!